So today I'm gonna tell you guys about my daily activities, what I do in my everyday, in my life or everyday. So I wake up in the morning and I have to check my phone if I have new information about the day. We don't know if we have uh we have no class in that day, so I have to check my phone every day in the morning. Then I go to wash myself. After that, I wear my clothes and go to campus. When I don't have a class on that day, I go to canteen. When class is over, I go to home using a public transportation. When I arrive in my place, I go to kitchen to cook something. After I cook, I gonna change my clothes and start to eat. After that, I will check. After that, I check my place to see if I have anything to do. If I have nothing to do, then I play with my phone. At the night, I start to eat again. After that, I go to bedroom to wash myself. Wash, After I wash myself, I wear my clothes. After that, I go to I go to do my next skincare routine, and in the end, I go to bed and sleep. And in the morning, I will start to repeat what I do again or every day. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.